Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard-boiled eggs taste good. First, select older eggs for easier peeling. Place them in a single layer in a pot and cover with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat. Let the eggs sit in the hot water for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, transfer the eggs to an ice bath right away. This stops the cooking process and helps prevent the green ring around the yolk. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. To peel, gently tap the egg on a hard surface, then roll it to create small cracks. Peeling under cold running water can make the shell slide off more easily. Now let's talk about making them taste even better. Simple seasoning with salt and freshly ground pepper is a great start. For a little kick, try a dash of your favorite hot sauce. You can also sprinkle them with paprika or everything bagel seasoning. For a richer flavor, serve with a dollop of mayonnaise or a bit of Dijon mustard. Proper storage keeps your eggs fresh. Peeled hard-boiled eggs can be stored in cold water in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Unpeeled eggs will last for about 1 week. Beyond just eating them plain, try slicing them for salads or open-faced sandwiches. They're also fantastic mashed with avocado or transformed into delicious deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.